Welcome to the Testing Equipment Training module. Today, you'll don some safety equipment, replace the multimeter's battery, and check it. You'll also use that meter to do some voltage and resistance checks on different types of equipment. We'll break out a megameter to check the resistance of wire insulation, and look at some heat maps with a thermography camera. Safety is our top priority. Excellent. Always ensure your hands are behind the probe guards. Non-contact test. Point the camera towards the equipment. Let's power on the megameter. Press the test button to take the reading. You've done a great job learning how to use a digital multimeter and thermography camera today. Let's wrap things up.